Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a little tutorial on this CanAm Spyder. It's an F3S. This is my parents' Spyder. They got bags from Viking Bags and the instructions were not very good. Could not find much about it, so I figured, hey, we'll do a quick little how-to video of how we installed them. But yeah, first off, let's listen to this exhaust. Yeah, they sound pretty good. Alright guys, let's jump into this. Now, on each side of the bike has these little handles with these Allen head bolts. You need to remove them. They have Loctite, they are tight. But once you remove those, you want to replace them with the supplied hardware in the kit. And what you're doing is you're putting this adapter plate on. So this, I'm using a bunch of different spacers to get it spaced out. This seemed to work perfectly. Now here's the adapter plate for the Spyder versus a normal motorcycle. So you can see it slides up in there, and underneath are these two Phillips heads or flat heads. It has both. Once you have that bracket where you want it, you can tighten that down, and now you can remove that whole bracket from the bike. Now we're on to the saddlebags, and we're going to kind of prep them. So there's these wing nuts. You want to remove those and move those little black, they're like rubber grommet type things, and I put them in the middle, as you can see in this picture. Why? So when you put it up against that bracket, the two bolts will go right through and make it nice and clean. Once you have it pushed up against it tight, you can mark the holes where you need to drill them out. There's three mounts or three holes that you can do. We just use two. Once you drill them out, you want to put these washers on like I did, just to keep it nice and sturdy. Now, since those washers are in place, you can take the adapter plate, put it on top of the washers, put the bolts through, and tighten them down. You don't want to over tighten them. You don't want to break anything, but just snug them up pretty good. Once they're snug up, you can just take that whole assembly and put it on the bike, lock the key, well, lock the lock, pull the key, and you're good to go. That's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. I know it's pretty easy job, but with the directions they had, not so much. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comments section below. God bless.